Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating Beauty and the Beast for goodie bags. Let's just go ahead and start. On Design Space, we go to Images. In the search box, we type in Beauty and the Beast, and we will select the images we will be working with. It's only 2 images. I'll be working with this image here, and you'll see it once you click on it. You'll see it in the bottom of your screen. Then I'm going to get a rose. And let me see what rose. Oh, I've never seen this one. Nice. Okay. Now, right here, we click on it. You'll see both images in the bottom of the screen. We click Insert Images. On this next screen, we will be sizing and cleaning up the images. I want print and cut. The Beauty and the Beast, I don't want them SVG because it has a lot to it. The flower, I will do piece by piece. It's not that much. Let's go ahead and start with the rose. We go on the right hand side, we unclick the eye. Because that black part, I'm just going to go ahead and change the color. I click on that black circle and I change it to, let's say, a lighter green. Or let's say a darker green. I like that. I like that one. Now, we're going to go ahead and size it. The rose will be 4 by 8. We go to the size, unclick to unlock, and then we 4 by 8, and then we go ahead and lock it. Okay, we're done with the flower. Let's just go ahead and minimize our screen. We click on the image. Now, like I was saying, I want this one print and cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I like it with the border. So I'm going to the right hand side and click on that eye on this part that's gray. You'll see it gray. Let me just, so you guys can see it. It's gray, but I want to change it to white. I click on the gray circle and I go ahead and change it to white. Now, once you change it to white, I'm going to go down and attach. Not attach, sorry guys, because I changed the border to white. Once I attach, it'll change the whole image to that color. Sorry guys, let's go back. We click on the image and we flatten the image. Once the image is flattened, it's only one. You'll see it here on the right hand side. It's a cut. You'll see this part right here. That's a cut. That's a print and cut. You don't see the border here, but once you print, it will have that border. Now we're going to go ahead and size it. This will be a 5 by 6. And the height is 6. And we close it. And we are basically done. Now, we go ahead and click on Make It. On this side, I need, it's for 15 goodie bags. We go ahead and type in 15. Well, I don't want to type in 15 because, like, I always get overwhelmed with all these mats, but I need it for the flower. But what we can do is, I'm just going to go ahead and type in 15. Wait for our machine to finish. Once we click on 15, it'll come up 15. See? That's what I'm saying. 32 mats. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's just go ahead and this right here, I'm going to play with this one because I like saving cardstock. So what you can do is to save cardstock, we go to this one. Let's clean this up. We click on the image, click on the three little buttons, and move to another mat. Where is it? Oh, it's not here. Did I place it? Oh, right here. Let's see if I can put it right here. Okay, right here. Now, and so on. You get the other rows, you place it here, and the other one you can place it maybe here. Just play with it, and then after you finish with that part, we're gonna go ahead and go to this one, and the same with this one. You can fit one more here, and you can fit one more in the bottom. With the red one, it will not fit. Well, we have how many we have? We have 4. No, they will not fit. They won't fit. So just leave it as is, and we click on continue. Once here, it will pick up. I don't know what's going on with my... It's not connecting. It's always happens. It's 11:36. It always happens after 11 o'clock, 11:30 at night. This always happens. So let's just go ahead, and once on this screen, it will pick up your machine. You'll set up your dial to cardstock, or if you're using foam or vinyl. Then you go ahead and load your mat. It says it will be loaded. Then you're going to go ahead and click on the blinking, whatever's blinking on your machine, which is the middle button. You click on it and you will start cutting. After you cut all the pieces, we'll be right back so we can go ahead and assemble the goodie bags. Happy crafting, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Now that we have all our images, we are going to start to assemble them. Let's start with the flower. I have the shadow, the actual flower that goes on top of the shadow, and then I have the top part of the flower, the rose. I'm sorry, guys. What I do is I'll just take my glue gun and I'll start putting a little bit of glue, just a bit, not that much, and then the stem I'll do it at the end. Remember, guys, when you apply the hot glue, don't press it right away. Just wait a couple of seconds and then press it down. Okay, then I'll do the stem right at the end, apply the glue. And we go with the top part of the rose, which is on glittered cardstock. What I do, I measure it first where I want to place it, and then go ahead and apply the hot glue. Okay, we are done with this one. See? Beautiful rose. I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest. Okay, now that I have all my roses done, I have all 12 roses. What I'm going to do next is I'll take my image. I'm going to glitter her dress, and then his scarf button, it will be in blue, and that's about it. I was trying to find a bow for the middle of the dress, but they were too big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glitter her up. And that's about it. Wish I had those bows, the small ones. I only have in pink. And pink, I don't think it's gonna look right in pink. Okay, this is what I did. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. The light is not the dress, and then I don't know if you can see his scarf. We're going to set it aside so they can dry. I'm going to finish these up. Okay, we are done glittering up the images. These two are still drying. And I have like 3 more on that side. I'm using 8x5 yellow and black bags. These bags are really, really sturdy. These bags are from Uline. But these bags are, I don't know if you can hear that, they are really thick. I recommend buying the bags Uline. The only thing is that Uline doesn't have are these kind of bags, the bright bags. But the black ones, the white ones, the craft brown ones, and yellow, red, perfect, but they don't have the light ones. These light ones, I buy them at Consumer Crafts. Okay, let's go ahead and start. First, we take the rose. I'm going to apply glue on the back, and we are going to place it sideways on the bag. And then I will take the image, this image, glue, hot glue, and I'm going to place it on top of the rose. Once I do that, your bag will be looking like this. I tried placing the rose out the bag, but it's not, it bends. And I said, I'm just gonna put it on the bag and put the image on top. I like it this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish the rest of these bags, and I will post a picture at the end of the video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please comment below, subscribe for more videos coming up. And I pray that you will have a blessed afternoon. And of course, happy crafting.